Hey guys, how you doing? It's Deepak Shukla here from Pearl Lemon. We're an SEO agency based in the UK. Some consider us pretty good at what we do. So I'd like to share my thoughts ultimately on the importance of image SEO optimization. So it's a little known fact that I'm about to reveal to you that more than 20% of Google's organic traffic comes from image searches. I mean, that blew my mind when I realized that that was the case. So as you can imagine, optimizing your images for SEO is going to only increase the traffic coming from Google. And that therefore is going to have a massive impact on your entire on-site strategy. So the question you're probably asking yourself is, well, Deepak, how do I do that? Well, the way that you do it, simply put, is by optimizing your images. The text and the names in those images are critical to making that happen. And for those of you who have actually tried doing it, you probably realize that it's a bit of a boring slash time consuming task. And that's why, if I'm being honest, one of the game changers for us at Pearl Lemon has been introducing our clients to the Image SEO Optimizer plugin. It's a really solid plugin. Basically, it uses AI to automatically fill out the missing alternative text with SEO friendly content. It's a really easy way to improve your organic traffic, to improve your website's accessibility via the Google robots, that it would be almost silly not to use it, especially if you have huge amounts of images with huge quantities of missing alternative text. So if you're running an agency like I do, you would really do well to introduce your clients to the SEO Optimizer plugin. So my name is Deepak Shukla, this is Pearl Lemon, and please do go ahead and check out the Image SEO plugin, which we've been using and getting great results with. Until next time.